What the Bitcoin does next will shock the world. So don't get trapped, my friend. Yes, my friend, don't be trapped exactly in the coming move. To know which move also we're talking about, make sure to watch that video from the start till the end without skipping any part of it. As you see, guys, that the daily candle here, it finished. Today, Bitcoin gave us here a green candle here, a green daily candle. That very good sign here. The Bitcoin is going to go back above. As also we told you before, is going to go back to hit all those stop losses they are here based on head and shoulder is getting broke here. Also we show you all those things before. We told you like that the head and shoulder is getting broke here. People they put in the stop losses of them above the first shoulder, or maybe the Bitcoin is going to go back to hit all those stop losses here. Then after that we're going to see if it's going to continue upward and going to give us here a double bottom. By the way, guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100 like. Guys, I know you can do it. You've done it before. So please, my friend, smash that like button which is down and write with it a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give long-term swing trading and day trading signals. If you are interested to our daily signals and you want to make money with professional people, that's the job of them, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. You click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon. You click at join, you finish the payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, my friend, to join us, you can text me either here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram. All the links you're going to find them down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as I told you here, also we're being stuck here in a very stronger level. Market is being closed, so also we haven't day trade. We tell you that it's been the new year and today it's been a holiday. All the markets they being closed. Market doesn't move at all here. Just now when the market or the daily candle closed, we saw some moves, but now also we need to find out which direction is going to take the market. And me, as I told you before, there is one of two. The Bitcoin is going to go back to here, to that level here, and if it gives us here a double bottom like that, that means also we are going to go back to 108k or more, because that possible, guys. As also we show you in yesterday in the yearly candle, there is another green yearly candle going to happen in the 2025, and based on history, even 2025 is going to be a bullish candle. So that telling us there is more going above. Yes, in smaller time frames we saw some corrections, something like that, and it's going to be an opportunity for you to buy Bitcoin in discount. Remember that when you saw those corrections like that, because when we used to be here at 108k, they used to come to me, people asking me, call the buy the Bitcoin now, or should I buy Bitcoin now? Now you are now here. Bitcoin is reached to 90k. Where you haven't buy? Forget about those ones. They telling you the Bitcoin is going to fall down, blah blah blah. Even if you buy from here at 90k and if it fall down to 80k, it's going to be more discount for you to buy something cheaper. Don't wait until you saw the rocket it taking off and you try to join it. As we've been saying, when we used to be at 15k, we used to tell it to the people, always when you are going to travel, you are not going to take the plane when the plane is in the sky. No, you're taking the plane when is it in the ground. You set, you put your belt set or your chair belt, you're sitting in your place, that when the plane is going to take off. Same thing now. When you saw corrections like those ones that are discount for you to buy. Me, I'm talking here about long term. I'm not talking about day trading or something like that. For day trading or those ones, the user leverage, I told you what to do to join our VIP Discord if you want someone to manage those trades with you. By yourself, my friend, if you don't know what you're doing, you're going to be wrecked. Remember that. Now here, what shall we do? We need to wait either the Bitcoin to come back to break here and it's going to give us like that a that double bottom very clear, and if it's breaking here, we are going to go more higher. And also we tell it to you, if you remember, we used to tell you guys we got here a mega fall like that, yes or no? And we told you maybe from here we are going to go back to touch the top of that mega fall. Even though when it's possible, guys. Second scenario, what is it? We show it to you, we got here a big head and shoulder like that, and maybe the Bitcoin just going to hit stop losses. They are here, then after that it's going to dump again. Even that one, it's possible. Another very important thing here in daily, let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? Look with me here, where we are in daily. We still below than the 50 moving average. You see it or no? And not a lot of people, they saying when we are below those moving averages, is a good opportunity for you to buy. But for me personally, I'm waiting that one to break above here for us to know the bulls they came back. Because at this time, us we are below the 20 and below the 50. And those moving averages here, they act like a very stronger support or resistance, so you need to be careful from them, what the market and how the market going to react when we touch them. I think I explained everything here. We don't need to make the video too long. Now let's go into see liquidity heat map, funding rate, and the coming news of today. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys, in the liquidity heat map. In the liquidity heat map, we have here some stop losses here in the top, and we have some down here. So for us to know which side or which direction the Bitcoin is going to go, if it's going to go to liquidate those ones above, or it's going to fall down to liquidate those ones here, we try to calculate the number here. That one here in the top, we are very close to liquidated then 24 million. If we came to those ones 17, those ones here 22, and we got a level here 24. Those was the levels we got. Down here what we got, $28 million. We got here down $32 million. So what the view may I see it, maybe the Bitcoin is going to fall down to liquidate all those ones down here, and after that maybe it's going to go above. Even that one, it's possible, guys. So what shall we do? We need to wait it to see which direction, and we enter based on price action. So I think I explained everything. That is going to see funding rate, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. Based on funding rate, you remember what else we told you? We got here a negative funding rate, and that based on history, when it happened, it always the bottom. It happened here exactly. Yes, the Bitcoin it dumped a little bit, but now we go back to the place where we used to be. Let's see now if the Bitcoin from here going to continue more upward, because that one here, when it happened, majority of the times that the bottom. Also, we still now waiting the price action. I'm going to show you the price action. We got everything. We are going there. So that based on funding rate, guys, here. Now it's going to see it coming news of today. So let's go in there to see it. Coming news of today, guys, as you see it, that the news we got today, Japan is still in holiday, USA, they are going to open today. We got initial jobless claim, SP Global US manufacturing, and crude oil inventory. The most important one is that one here, SP Global US manufacturing PMI. That one is affect a little bit US dollar. So you need to see what's going to happen here based on our table or our friend, as we're looking at it every day here in that channel. What it telling us till now. Look at it, guys, here. What it telling you. Nasdaq started the day red. SP 500 started 2025 red. Dow Jones started 2025 red. So as you see it, but there is no volume at this time. It's need till the market open or New York Stock Exchange open. Then also we're going to know which direction we are going to take. But also we came here based on our friend. Based on our friend, the fair and scans is too high, guys. As you see it here, 17.35. So you need to be careful a little bit when we reach to the 20. That the bottom, guys. I'm talking here about stock market for you to buy and even for Bitcoin. So I think I explained everything. Now what shall you do? Shall you sell? No, my friend, there is nothing. Also we're still below 20. That means scan and fair, it's still very calm. There is nothing to be worried about. So I think I explained everything that was going to see the Bitcoin we are doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here in Bitcoin in 12 hours, Bitcoin is trying now to break the 20 moving average. As you see it here, we got another level, that one here, whereas the 100 moving average at 96,716. We need to look at it. As me, I'm still looking here, that one here, that double bottom here, based on 4 hours, 12 hours. But to me, I'm still looking here at the double bottom here, based on 12 hours here. It needs to be broke for for us to know the market is going to go more higher, and when it's going to be broke, that means it's going to break for us all those moving averages like that. If that happens, it's going to be very good, because we need to be careful, guys. Maybe we touch here, then after that give us a new low, even though when it's possible, because if you see it here, us now we are below the 100 moving average, so you need to be careful, my friend, what the market going to do in the coming hours. Levels, you need to look at them here in 12 hours. Let me show it to you. Levels, that level where we are now, 95,486. Another level here, 102,603. And that one down here, 9,808. Those ones the levels, you need to look at them closer here, what the Bitcoin going to do, plus those moving averages in 12 hours. I think I explained everything. We don't need to waste a lot of time here. Now let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in 12 hours, guys. The Ethereum is staying here in his place as also we show you before. We are sideways here. We are not going to nowhere. Look at that horizontal channel me I make here. Also we staying up sideways there. So there is no volume in the Ethereum. So also we still waiting which direction we're going to take, and we show you how to catch it. We show you like that. We told you got here a symmetric triangle, and you need to wait in the break of it. If we breaking above, we are going to go back to 4,000. If we're breaking down, we are going to fall down more. People there with me, also we buy from here exactly from the tail of that candle here. We got another pending order here down at 3,000. If it's going to get triggered, we're going to buy, but also we don't buy in all our account. If it fall down more, we're going to buy more, and that's why us every time we told you, if you want to invest, if you want to day trade, you can join our VIP Discord, where we're giving all those type of signals, plus we're managing the trades with you. But it's up to you, my friend. Now let's see our indicator. We're saying today here in Ethereum. Based on our indicator, also we still below the divergence downtrend. That means there is no bulls yet, and also we are here in the middle. Even there is no trade in there. So what shall we do? We need to break that one here for us to know the bulls they came back. If we haven't break it, there is no entry long, guys. Remember that. If we haven't break above here, there is no entry long, and you need to wait till the right time, because maybe we're just going to touch it, then after we're going to fall down again. So even that one, it's possible, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the Bitcoin in 4 hours, we got here a small head and shoulder here. You see it here? That's a head and shoulder, guys. That one here, very clear head and shoulder. If we break in the neckline of it, we are going to go back to 100k. Exactly, guys. We are going to go back to 100k. Which head and shoulder I'm talking about? You just do it like that. Let me show you those things, what I'm talking about. You see it now? That here is a head and shoulder. Look at that. That the neckline here, we make it from the tail of the one and the one here. And now here what you got? That the first shoulder, that the head, and that the second shoulder, guys. If we break in the neckline here, we are going to pump above to 100k. If you haven't seen it more clear, you change it from candles like that to lines. You see it now? Look at it here. You see that the shoulder, or that the neckline, that the first shoulder, that the head, and that the second shoulder, guys. You see it here now? We got a head and shoulder. If we break in the neckline of it here, we are very close to break it. We are going to go back to 100k, guys. I think I explained everything. That for long, for short, what you got? For short, we got here that uptrend here, the one here. If the market fall down and break it down here, we need to enter a short. Plus, guys, you need to remember that level where we are here in 4 hours, it's very, very strong level. So you need to be careful about it. Another very, very important thing here in 4 hours, let me show it to you. Is it the one here, guys? That 50 moving average, we touch it the first time, second time, and now we're touching it the third time. We need to see if we are going to break it or not, because that moving average there, it's the neckline of that head and shoulder I just show you now. You see it, that one here? The neckline of it, it's that 50 moving average there. But the only things we got here, no, we got a lot of things here. Let me show it to you. If you see in here, based on Bollinger Band, guys, what you got here? You see it here, when it's being squeezed like that, that means there is a huge move here. But now in that level where we are, what it's telling you, there is no volume, guys. What that telling us, there is a squeeze coming. And that's what me I told you today is going to be a huge move. How we going to catch it? I just show it to you. I told you got here, that head and shoulder. If it's getting broke here, it's more long and we are going back to 100k as we told you. That for long, for short, what you got? That uptrend like that, if it's getting broke down here, we are going to fall down and we're going to break even that low here where we reach to 92k, guys. I think I explained everything, but why me now a change from bearish to bullish? Because if you remember what else we show you in yesterday and before yesterday, we show you we got the divergence from that peak here and that one here, and here in the chart from that one and that one. And we told you for us to enter along, we need to break that one here. The downtrend we used to have there is getting broke, guys. We show it to you in another chart. That the chart, guys, we told you here. You remember what else we told you here about that one? We do it like that, and that the downtrend also used to follow here. The downtrend is getting broke here the first time, now is getting broke the second time. We show you that one, and if you remember it, based on that divergence also we have, and the break will happen here, the Bitcoin is telling us also we are going to go more higher, guys, at least to that 100k as also we show you before. But everything is possible, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator. We're saying here in Bitcoin, our indicator that the divergence, guys, you see it here like that, very clear divergence as we show it to you before. That downtrend here we used to have here is getting broke here as you see it. Should we enter along? You can catch along till the downtrend here, but when we touch in that downtrend here, you need to be careful what the market going to do, because the downtrend is very important, guys, if we're going to break it or no. The downtrend, how we started, we show it to you before. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in yesterday video we show you here that up channel like that, or we also make it from here, but today we extended to that low here. But we still have here a up channel, guys. You see it, that up channel here. We still have here a very clear up channel. We touch the lower of it here down, as also we show you in yesterday 3 times down here, and in the top first, second, and you can add even that one here. Now what the view, the Bitcoin is going to go to touch the top of that up channel, and from there we're going to see if the Bitcoin from here going to fall down again or no. But here in 30 minutes also we are officially in an uptrend, guys, and that the head and shoulder I just show you in the 4 hours, guys. You see it here? Yes, here is going to be like that. Look at that here, that the head and shoulder may I just show you in 4 hours, guys. You see it here in 30 minutes is more clear. So if we break in here, we're going to see it Bitcoin going back to 100k. That for long, guys. For short, what we need to do for short, we came to those ones like that, and we're waiting if any candle fall down and breaking down here, we're going to catch another short, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator we're saying here in Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Based on our indicators, guys, as you see, that one here is it at the extreme overbought area level. Also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, as you see it, guys. You see it here, that one here is a very stronger supply and demand zone, and is it the neckline of that head and shoulder. Should we enter a short based on a level like that? Because even that level is very stronger. In 4 hours is the 50 moving average, in 12 hours is it the 100 moving average in daily. Or should we enter a short based on a level? Because we still waiting here a price action for us to catch a short. That one here, based on it, that the divergence or trend as we show you in yesterday video. You see it or no? Now we enter to a place where is the bulls they controlling, and our indicator he like to stay all in a place where is the bulls they controlling. Look at it here. You see it, guys? We fall down here. The bears they don't got power to push it more down. Should we go more long with it? Me personally, I'm waiting that one here. Look at it. I came like that and I do it like that, guys. From that one here like that, and I'm waiting. if the market breaking here, I'm going to go more long here, because if you're looking with me, here we got more clear head and shoulder than the chart. Let me show it to you to get more picture. Look here, guys. If you came like that here in 30 minutes and you came from the tail of that candle, that one here, and you do it like that, what you seeing? Look here, that the first shoulder, that the big head like that, and that the second shoulder, guys. If that one getting broke here, we're going to see the Bitcoin going more higher than that, guys. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Guys, if you like our content, please make sure to smash that like button, to write with it a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.